What happens if you crash an F50 at 100 kilometers an hour on the water? These are high-performance foiling catamarans and they go very fast, but if they crash, it can be catastrophic. Although the boats can withstand a huge amount of force, water, when traveling at 100 kilometers an hour, is like concrete. So when they crash, some of the boats are left in pieces. At those speeds, water molecules do not have time to move aside, so the surface acts solid, like smashing into a wall. Crews can be thrown off, slammed into the deck, or even end upside down. That's why they wear helmets, body armour, and even carry oxygen. SailGP is beautiful in so many ways, but it is a sport, so accidents can happen. If you've liked what you've seen here today, make sure you drop a follow and stay tuned for all the action.